Alright, my people, welcome back. Davido just gifted Chioma personal assistant a brand new Maserati car worth over 200 million naira. Verydarkman was invited to the DSS after he posted a video that interrupted the case against the coup plotters who planned to remove President Bola Ahmed Tinubu through a military coup.
Because I was at the DSS office where I was being interrogated and
Okay, guys, on the news today, OBO continues doing good. The video just gifted Choma's personal assistant a brand new car. Like, if you see this car, now Maserati, the video give Choma personal assistant. And according to the video, he said the guy deserves it, and the guy has been a very loyal somebody to Choma and also to their Adeleke family. So he said that the guy has been like representing Choma as well, helping out and the rest of them. So for that, he deserves it. That the guy has been very loyal. The guy was super grateful and thankful as the video gifted him a brand new Maserati car. The car is reportedly worth over 200 million naira. The video gifted him. He was so happy. Look at how the whole thing went down.
Hey, loyal guy.
Thank you, boss. Shout out to my boss. Are you mad?
Reza. Hey, see my seat. Oh.
Sir, go. This is me, man. This is me. Shout out to my boss, man. Love you, bro. Sir, go. This is me, man. This is me. Shout out to my boss, man. Love you, bro.
Nigerian influencer and activist Verydarkman was invited by the DSS after a long interrogation where they were interrogating Verydarkman for his involvement about a leaked video that was used in court, and they said how Verydarkman got hold of that video. Verydarkman posted the video some few days ago about an interrogation between the DSS and one of the so-called alleged coup plotters. And according to Verydarkman, he said that the interrogation was not fair, and he said the interrogation was flawed and the rest of them. So Verydarkman was invited by the DSS and he was questioned on how he got the video. Verydarkman has come out to explain what happened, and he was also in court as he visited some of the cases that was going down in court during yesterday. Listen to what Verydarkman had to say.
Alright, so I got to my house at around 2 a.m. this morning because I was at the DSS office where I was being interrogated and investigated over a video that I posted about 4 days ago. So it took a lot of hours at the DSS office. I wrote a lot of statements to that regard. Now, I was in court about two days ago. You know, again, in this case, you asked that I should be investigated, and the judge said to give the DSS the order, and I'm being investigated. But I would like to say and say it 100%. I didn't record that video. Somebody probably sent it to my phone. It's even possible that it is the DIA that sent it to my phone. It's possible that it's even the DPP that sent it to my phone. That's just the truth. Because I know these people know that Verydarkman will not see something like that and keep quiet. Maybe that's why they sent it. Because that day they wanted to even use that one to stop the judge from granting those people bail. So it's possible that anybody sent it to me. But I will go through my phone. I promise the DSS that I'll go through my phone and look for that number that probably sent it to me. I don't know if the person is smart enough to delete, but whoever sent that video to me, I'll tell you, I will find you and I'll take your number to DSS so that they will investigate you. But above all, please, I would like to urge the court. Well, from which I see that the judge was very, 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 very lenient. Now, lenient with the English. I went outside and I told somebody in the court that I've never seen anybody as intelligent as that judge. I've never gone to any court and seen any judge as intelligent as that woman. The way she speaks, the way it was so balanced. It was so balanced. It was a very balanced. I was just looking at her, I was like, No. You know that kind of you say you dey look person, you just dey lost for the person intelligence. That's what I saw in that judge. So when the judge said they should investigate me, I said, I don't get anything to hide. Of course, everybody knows that nobody they pay Verydarkman to post anything. If they pay me by now, DSS for that arrest me or maybe police, but they cannot trace anything. Because I don't take money for shit. I just come. When I say injustice, I speak. So ultimately, I would like to apologize to the court if maybe my video interfered with court proceedings and maybe it caused damage to the investigation. I would like to apologize, and to the DIA, like I said, this one and my own fair comment too now. I don't think that interrogation was professional. If you carry person as suspect say do something, I believe say you go show am say on the 10th of so this is what you did. We saw you planning this school with this. These were your words. You were on a phone call. These were your words. This is a video of you. These were your words. But saying that the person that was planning the coup transferred 2 million naira to him, and the man clearly said this is welfare. Saying it forward. Well, I don't want to interfere again. I don't want to interfere. God bless the judge. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria, and truly the people that were involved in planning a coup. If they are found wanting, they should face the full wrath of the law, because this is a democratic government. You cannot just say you want to use coup to remove President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, even though he has failed Nigeria 100%. But in an election, they'll still take come down. No matter what you do, that coup, I don't know. So you don't fail us. Insecurity zero, economy zero. I don't know what I see by your Nanuga they talked the other day. All those ones zero. But I apologize to the courts, to the DSS, everybody. More than overs, no be me record video. And I'm sorry if I interfered with court proceedings and caused any damage to the investigation. And to the judge, God bless you, ma. May you reign forever.